Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is for the Lookback CTF on TryHackMe. The Lookback CTF is just actually is reminded to us to red teamer. So if you go to here on my YouTube channel, I just want to be show you guys to here. Okay, let me say to here, go there, not there actually. Okay, all right, here, yeah, red team. Yeah, there's and we getting the old room for the rat teamings and Windows or something like that for this TryHackMe. So the first thing we got in here, the recon, weaponization, password, text, phishing, so getting all of things for the TryHackMe rat teamings. And we actually sold the rat teamings about this and the meaning of which call us those rat teams for this CTF is over here. So now we can check it the or room to look back. We just have to be check it here or rat teaming skills and gathering here the solve the CTF together. You know, there's a difficulty is easy and we got in here all of things is easy, I think. So if you're ready, let's check up. Okay. The Lookback company has just started integration with Active Directory. Okay, we are using here the Active Directory. Due to coming deadline, the system integrator had to rust the deployment environment. Can you spot any vulnerabilities? Start your virtual machine and pressing started machine to here, and the top of risks you may access VM attack box or your VPN. This machine doesn't respond ping ISMP. Okay, sometimes move forward, we have to go backward. And then, so if you get stuck, try to look back. Okay, if you get stuck here, we have to go the rat teamings path on TryHackMe. So the first thing I think we just have to go there. This IP address it's giving us something here. So the first thing we just have to be gathering information about the port. So I want to be use here mmap scan for this IP address to here. So we just have to be know about it, something about this IP address, this port, and something like that. So I want to be go here no etc host. I'm gonna say let me deleting it because we gathering here the new domain and a new IP address to here. This could be on the okay. Just take a time to cool. So let me check it. That map scan is gonna be still scan. Okay. So we just have to be waiting for this mmap scan and the gathering information about the port and something like that for this IP address. You know, we just have to one goal. The other goal is just hack this IP address and then hack this machine and which machine is using this IP address. Actually, we are using here the Active Directory, so maybe we just have to be watching the Active Directory room or something like that. I don't know. We just have to be checking for it. I don't know. Okay. Are we gonna be check it there's no AD port is open, or we just have to be I think we have to be actually adding here the host for domain. So I'm gonna use here the nano etc host one more time. So let me say one more. Okay, we got in here. Okay, we just have to be waiting for it, right? So I'm gonna go here the chat GPT and maybe we have to ask it to something of it. Okay, yeah, we got in here. All right, there's an AD port is open, but it's giving us macros IIS. So that means we have to be hacked this Windows machine to here. And you know, there's the 44.3 port is open. It could be equal to HTTPS. Now we check it this on this DNS name to here, Windows, the TryHackMe.local. So let me copy this and go here nano etc host. So the first thing we just have to be adding here the IP address. So IP address is equal to 10.289 no 2 and 260. So like that. And then add here this domain. So controller enter controller X. Now it's time to be go this. No, like that is definitely yeah. Okay, let me go here. Alright, we got in here. What's problem? Why come here nothing getting here? So if you just have to be adding here HTTPS or something like that. Yes, we got in here the Outlook. So there is no the brute force needed to here for username and password. You just have to be check it here the look for the directory for this the domain. So we just have to be check it here directory for this domain. So I'm gonna be use here vwoof, and then say here -v user share word list. I'm just gonna be using sac list discovery and the web content and directory. Directory list 3.2.3 and the medium.txt. Now we got in here the URL. I think our URL is equal that, so let me copy this. This is our URL, right? Copy and go there and then paste it, and then adding here fuse the -v could be equal to 1. Now we check it in the directory for this domain. We got in here the test. Now it's time to go test here. So let me go to test here. We got in here the something about the directory. It's actually equal to test. It's asking us the username and password. Now we check it with this username and password in a new tab. So let me using here nicto-h and then copy this IP address to here and paste it. Just let me start the Nicto scan. Or we're gonna be using here the anything we can use here actually. How can I say, I don't know, but maybe you just have to be using here the Hydra attack. I don't know. It's your depends. But I generally using here the first thing I generally using the Nicto, and then if it's actually is not working, I generally using the brute force attack. Okay, let me check it for. So we got in here the what is service user flag. All right. Have we checked all paths? Oh, we just have to be checked paths, all the paths to here. No, we got in here what we got it before, if you remember. So let me say either not like here, like that. So it's giving us this outlook to the login page to here. Now we just have to be check it here the test. Trust me. Okay, test. It's asking username and password here. Let me check it now one more time. It's actually giving us his ID username and ID password for this. And right, okay, what is user flag? Reading can change your perspective. And the root flag, all the way back, where did it start? We start in the recon. Okay, I actually remember this like yesterday. It's like one. Okay, we got something here. Alright, the ID is equal to admin and the password is equal to admin. So let me say here admin and for username, and the password is equal to user the admin. So we get down here our first flag. Our first flag is equal that. Yes. Yes. We got in here the first flag, guys. It's like easy. So what is the user flag? So there's I'm giving her the log analyzer to here for path. So if I'm gonna say here hi. So what is run output for us? Okay, let's give me output. Okay, get content cannot find the C file. Oh, we're on the C file now. Okay. I say ls-l. No, I'm just gonna give here dir because this is a Windows machine. So say dir to here. No, does not access. Are we gonna be add this to here, quotation mark, parentheses, and the pearl, no, the pearl. We can add this. Okay, we can add. So say if I'm gonna say dir here, it's not working. Okay, let me change it with who am I? Oh, we got in here, or yeah, this is working. You just have to be adding here single quotation mark, parentheses, the perp, and parentheses and single quotation mark to here. Okay, are we gonna be check it here the reverse shell? So yeah, let me go here. No, PHP reverse shell. Let's go here the reverse shell generator. Okay, we just have to be go reverse shell generator. If you guys remember, or actually the rat humor, we're generally using here the PowerShell. Now it's gonna be using here the forgetting the reverse shell here. We just have to be using PowerShell to here. So you just have to be go down here, and then select the PowerShell. Yeah, we got in here the PowerShell base 64. So let me copy this. You just have to be changing your IP address and the port what you for listener to here, and then go actually to here one more time to my Linux terminal and starting here ANCAT listener with ANCAT-mvlp for 9001. Okay, So let me deleting here the who am I and paste it. So let me run. We got in here. We got in here, guy. We got in here. We got in here. There's the reverse shell. We got in here the reverse shell. So that's really cool. If I'm gonna say elastic here, we got in here. We got in here. Okay, so let me go here, go back and go back and go back. So let me say here the ls. We got in here the user, Windows, root, program files, or something like that. I actually don't want to be use all of things to here. I just want to be go there the user, say ls. We got in here developer, administrator. Okay, so let me go developer and say ls. Go here the desktop. So like that, definitely ls, and there's an user.txt. So let me say cat user no, it's cat user.txt. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, guy, we got in here the second flag. The correctly second flag is equal this. Now it's time to be looking for the what is the root flag. So let me write it in here all the way back. Where did you start? If you can check your AMAP scan here, there is there a 3399 FF here? But we have no idea about the username and password is actually here. Now that means that we cannot connect it with this X4 RDP or Ramina for this 3289 port to here. So what we're doing here, just have to be checking here the to-do.txt. So if I'm gonna say cat to-do.txt to here, oh my god, cat to-do.txt. Alright, it's giving us the something hint for this CTF. Okay, hi developer team. This is the task list for the deadline. Promote the server domain controller done. Set up Microsoft Exchange, the setup IIS, and remove the log analyzer to B1. And add all users from the Infraga department. Install the security update for MS Exchange and set up labs. When you are done with task, please send email to joe.tryhackme.com and the developer infrastructure team.tryhackme.local. So we just have to be starting here the MSF console, I think. So let me say MSF console and run this. Okay, so we just have to be looking here. Let me go one more time to looking for what? Microsoft Exchange, right? We just have to be looking for Microsoft Exchange. So let me say here search and Microsoft Exchange to here. Which one would we have to be use it? Exploit Windows HTTP Exchange. No, we've set. We just have to be checking for the here PowerShell. Okay, exploit Windows HTTP Exchange proxy shell RCE. Okay, let me say here this is the 5. All right, let me say here use 5 and go there the show options. All right, now we just have to be setting here the email. We got an email before if you remember. So let me check at the email now. Email. Set email, right? Email could be is equal this dev infrastructure.tryhackme.local. So give there. Yes, now it's gonna be working. And then let me go to here for our hosts. Okay, this is our reverse host. The our host is equal this IP address. So let me copy and paste it here, and the set L host you just have to be giving here your IP address 10.8.72 and 270. And then let me say the run here. Okay. The target is vulnerable. Yes, I know. And the retrieving background VQDN or RPC request. Internal server name is equal this, yes. and assign the mailbox import export role dev infrastructure to TryHackMe.local. Yes, that's true. So okay, successfully assign a mailbox import export role. Proceeding with SID with this, and saving draft email with subject with this containing attachment with the embedded web shell. So waiting for what? Exploit aborted due to failure. The server did not respond expected away. So let me using here exploit dash C and dash C to here. Okay. It's giving us a for one is exploit accumulated, but no session was created here. We just have to be created the session, so forgetting shell with the meter printer, because we're using here the meter printer. All right. Exploit aborted the failure. Time out to export server did not respond and expected way. So what's wrong? Sessions dash L. Okay. You know, there is no writing C file here, but now it's time to be writing C file to some things for changing. You know, we're generally using for the privilege escalation to program files. So God, I think it's gonna be working now. Because there is no writing tab to here. Oh my God, is there? No, there is no. So I think it's gonna be working. So we just have to be waiting for it. Oh my God, why is not working? I'm gonna doing something to here. So let's go back. We're getting shell? Nope. We just have to be waiting for it. That's really fine. Just waiting for it. The mail that export the request is completed. So let me say controller C to here. So if I'm gonna say here sessions dash L, no active session. Oh my God, why? It was working. It was working, guys. Holy fuck. Session bar opened. Meterpreter session 1 opened to here. Meterpreter session 1 opened to here. Yes, we getting to hear the session. So let me say here sessions 1. Yes. So let me say here who am I? This is not working because this is a meterpreter. Let me say here the PWD. So let me go back. Go back one more time and say ls. And there's the name users. Let me go to users. And let me go to here administrator. Okay. ls. CD. No. What? Okay. CD desktop. Oh my gosh, shit. There is no, so let me go back and try the documents. Yes. Shit. Yeah. You guys are gonna look back CTF. It's really easy to us, guys. It's really easy to us. It's really easy to me and for my YouTube viewers. So it's really for us. We got here the old flags here. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.